colossal mountains of discarded vehicles, a new purpose emerges for millions of old cars. The journey begins as discarded vehicles embark on their transformation. Millions of old cars arrive, ready for their transformation into new railway tracks. Massive shredders relentlessly tear old cars, reclaiming valuable materials for new uses. Every ounce of metal is meticulously processed, ensuring nothing goes to waste. From dilapidated vehicles, new infrastructure emerges, powered by advanced recycling. From hulking car bodies, a transformed stream of shredded metal begins its crucial journey. This intricate mix, born from automotive past, journeys onward for meticulous separation. Each fragment, a testament to past lives, is now poised for its future as a vital resource. Powerful magnets expertly pull steel and iron, ensuring precise separation from other materials. Skilled line workers meticulously monitor and fine-tune machinery for peak performance. This crucial step ensures high-quality ferrous materials, vital for future railway tracks. From old cars, new tracks emerge. A colossal bucket of steel scrap begins its journey. Expert hands guide the immense weight, ensuring every movement is flawless. Perfect alignment means the transformation can continue. The massive bucket, filled with raw material, prepares for its fiery task. Into the electric arc furnace, the transformed metal will soon forge new rails. Precision is key as the final electrode descends, preparing the furnace for its fiery transformation. Then, with a blinding flash, the electric arc ignites, transforming scrap into liquid metal. Skilled American operators precisely monitor the extreme heat, transforming discarded vehicles into new resources. Precision controls ensure the perfect transformation, a testament to industrial innovation. The intense glow reveals the heart of transformation, where waste becomes potential. Skilled hands guide this fiery transformation, ensuring precision and safety in every step. The ladle rapidly fills, a testament to American industrial power and material transformation. This fiery material, born from recycled cars, is now ready for its next transformation. Recycled car bodies become molten steel, now ready for precise casting into new forms. Skilled American workers meticulously oversee the molten stream, ensuring perfect flow. The ton dish perfectly regulates the superheated liquid metal for uniform output.
Maintaining perfect laminar flow, continuous casting looks good. The temperature is holding steady.
Molten steel begins its rapid transformation, forming a solid outer shell within the mold. Skilled workers diligently monitor the critical first stage of solidification. A continuous strand emerges, its surface solidifying as it cools. This precise engineering ensures the quality of every future rail segment. Recycled steel, reborn from old cars, now flows as a continuous, fiery ribbon. Expert hands ensure precise alignment, guiding the molten core into a solid form. Each drop of water meticulously cools the surface, hardening the steel for its next transformation. Through fire and water, the raw material of the past is reforged into the future's infrastructure. forwards into tomorrow's railway backbone. From scrap to steel, the meticulous process ensures every strand meets the highest quality standards. From discarded vehicles, a new future takes shape as steel is born. Precision monitoring ensures every inch of recycled steel meets rigorous standards. This recycled steel, forged with precision, is ready to become the backbone of new infrastructure. From discarded vehicles, a molten stream becomes the foundation for new railway tracks. Automated precision ensures each bloom is perfectly sized, ready for its next transformation. Skilled American workers meticulously monitor every stage, guaranteeing unmatched quality and precision. From scrap to bloom, old cars are transformed, ready for their new purpose as railway tracks. American expertise ensures each bloom reaches the exact temperature for optimal rolling. Guided by precision, the heated steel blooms are prepared for their journey to the rolling mill. Through immense pressure, the once bulky bloom is forged, taking on new form and strength. Expert precision guides the searing hot steel through each critical stage of shaping. Intense heat and light emanate from the bloom, a visual spectacle of steel's transformation. The roughing mill completes its work, sending the newly shaped bloom towards the next stage. Through a symphony of force and heat, the recycled steel begins its transformation, inch by precise inch. Expert hands and advanced technology work in unison, meticulously crafting each rail with unparalleled precision. From scrap to essential infrastructure, the journey of recycled steel is a testament to innovation. Discarded vehicles, a vital component of modern transportation, takes its robust, enduring form. From the control pulpit, a skilled operator orchestrates the transformation of discarded vehicles. Precision is key as subtle adjustments fine-tune the transformation process. Through expertise, raw materials are transformed into the foundational elements of new infrastructure. A new railway track takes form, a testament to precision engineering. Intense heat transforms raw material into robust infrastructure. Cooling marks the completion of its fiery transformation. Precision engineering ensures each rail cools perfectly, enhancing its structural integrity for future use. Controlled cooling is vital, ensuring the tracks achieve optimal strength and durability for their long service. Skilled American workers meticulously guide each track, ensuring flawless alignment. Every inch is scrutinized, guaranteeing the highest quality for critical infrastructure.
Perfect run. Looks good to go.
Massive cold saws now precisely cut these long, repurposed rails into standard transport lengths. Each cut is a testament to the precision required, transforming scrap into critical infrastructure. Thousands of gleaming railway tracks stand ready, a testament to meticulous recycling and advanced manufacturing. From recycled cars, these tracks emerge, poised to build the very backbone of our nation's railways.